What is up, you guys? It's your boy Ballin Gamer, and I'm finally back with another video. And today's video is going to be top 5 things to do when you're bored in GTA 5 online or story mode, whichever one you want. Anyway, so with all that said, like, subscribe. Let's try to get this video to 5 likes, and let's get into the video. So, the first thing you can do when you're bored in GTA 5 is get a bus, any bus you want. You can find one on the street, or you can just get a Pegasus one like I did. And you want to come to a pretty popular place in the map, you know, really crowded, but still easy to block off with the bus. I came here, and yeah, you just want to cause the biggest traffic jam you can. If you shoot people, it makes it even better, because then they all come towards you, and it's like, you know, it makes it just 10 times better if you just shoot at everybody, and it makes it more packed, so everything blows up, guaranteed, on your first try. So look, now I got all these cars just piled up right here. It's crazy, right? So now you just kind of want to find somewhere near, you want to find the biggest gap where the cars are. That way, you know, you can blow them all up in one try, and it's going to be amazing. So what you want to do is you just want to wait until you get a pretty big traffic jam. I'd say that's good enough, somewhere around there. Let's get this guy in the back, just finish it off. Or if not, there we go. And then once you see the police roll up, you just want to kind of toss a grenade right about there. And then, actually I won't run, I'll blow up so you guys can see what the carnage is. And then everything just blows up, and it's super cool to watch. And then, you know, some of them are pretty delayed, but they'll still blow up. Like this guy right here, he'll blow up in a sec. So will this car, and so will all these other cars. And it's just really fun to watch them all just blow up. It doesn't happen all at once, but, you know, it's something to do because you're bored. You want to pass time. So yeah, that's the first thing on this list. Let's get to the next thing on the list of things to do when you're bored in GTA. Alright, you guys, so the next thing you can do when you're bored in GTA 5 online is go to max altitude, or however high you want to get. As you can see here, max altitude is 8,100 feet. You can check that on this little altimeter here. And yeah, and then you just want to get in the third person, or you can do it in first person if you want, and you just want to jump. Works better if you're in a helicopter, and then you just want to watch your helicopter, and you want to try to get hit by it. If you get hit by your helicopter, then you're boss. And then you gotta follow it around, and you just want to get hit by it. And if you know you can't get hit by it, then you can just race it down. Racing it down is a lot harder, but I mean, getting hit by it's pretty hard too. Oh no. Alright, I'll fast. Oh wait, I got this. Oh no, I don't. Alright, I'm gonna race it now. I lost. Well, that sucks. Yeah, and if you can just do this as many times as you want, just try to race your car or your helicopter. How did that? Okay, that was weird. I thought I was okay. Whatever. But yeah, so you can just do that if you really get that bored. I mean, that one's the most time-consuming and probably the least fun on this list. So yeah, with that said, let's get on to the next fun thing to do in this video. Alright, you guys, so the next thing you can do when you're bored in GTA 5 online is come to the top of the map, Mount Chiliad, and try to make it the whole way down the mountain without falling off on a motorcycle. You can do however you want, you just cannot lift your butt off this motorcycle. So let's try this here. Let's go down this thing, let's jump off of this thing, let's try to glide as far as we can. Oh no, this isn't going to end well. Alright, now let's try to land nice and soft. There we go, perfect. Oh, well, that ended pretty quickly, but the more and more you try it, the farther and farther you might get. You could probably find different ways down each time you do. Oh, I'm going to catch that motorcycle. You could probably find different ways down each time you try it. And yeah, every time you try it, you might get further and further. And you never know, maybe one time you'll actually make it the whole way down Mount Chiliad on a motorcycle. Very difficult, trust me. I've been trying this for quite some time now, and I still haven't made it. So if you guys like know a way down somehow, some like magical way, that'd be pretty cool if you could tell me that I could try that. You know what I mean? Oh geez, I'm actually getting really far, and I broke my nuts. How am I not dead? Okay, there we go. And so yeah, that's the third way there that you can do when you're having fun. Third thing, I don't know. Oh geez. Alright, let's get to the next thing. Alright, you guys, so the next way to entertain yourself when you are bored in GTA 5 is to go steal a jet and then just cause havoc down in the city. And the reason I say a jet, not a buzzard or the Annihilator, is because, as you can see here, the jet's little cannon bullets are explosive, which makes it so much more fun because you can just fly up and down the highway and blow everything up, and it just gets crazy after a while. So yeah, you can just go up and down the streets here and just blow every single car up, and honestly, it's more fun than just, I don't know, doing whatever you do when you're bored. I don't know. But yeah, getting a jet and just doing this for about 15-20 minutes until you blow your jet up. It's a lot of fun, actually. So yeah, and if you want to, you can use missiles and just blow everything up and then lock on. And, oh man, it gets really fun. Once you get about 5 stars, it gets, okay, there you go. So yeah, I'm obviously not going to go get another jet because that's going to be like a 45-minute drive. But yeah, that's that way to have fun when you're bored in GTA. So let's get on to the final way to have fun when you're bored in GTA 5. Alright, you guys, so the last thing you can do if you're really bored in GTA 5 Online is come to the top of the map, kind of by the military base. I'll show you in a sec. Let me just get away from these hillbillies here. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to come to right here on the map. You can see the little village. Here's the military base. So it's right here. You just want to head up here, and there will be a giant wooden fortress. And as you can see, you pull up, you won't do anything, and people will start to attack you. So now you just want to kind of have a war with these people. Kill as many of them as you can. And I'll show you why in a second why this is so entertaining. Alright, you guys, so as you can see here, once you come up here, it's just kind of a place, you know, no one really knows about, and it's pretty cool to just come up here and kind of check it out. And to be honest with you, some of these people don't like pants. I can't show you for the purpose of me actually liking my YouTube channel. So, yeah, I'll just kind of try to look away from that. So, yeah, as you guys can see, this town's pretty cool. I mean, it's got, you know, a water tower. It's just cool to look around and kind of see what these little hillbillies do up here. I'm pretty sure this is also the home of Cletus, if you guys ever were wondering where exactly Cletus lived. So, yeah. That's the video for today, guys, and if you liked it, subscribe and hit that like button. And a big thank you to No Scope Glasses for sponsoring me and my channel and helping me grow my channel while I try to, you know, just get more subscribers and try to make my name get out there a little bit more. So if you click on the link in my description, you can get 10% off any purchase at the No Scope Glasses website. And yeah, it would help me out tremendously. At the same time, that would help them out. So yeah, with that video being over, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video, and until then, peace.
Hold on, rear-end MVA here, just hold on. Just had a high-speed impact.
Hej, CO-Hex her. I dag der vil jeg vise jer en money glitch, der virker efter patch 1.13. Som I kan se her, jeg har de nye biler. Jeg kan også lige vise jer det. Hvis vi lige kan finde det. Hvor fuck er det nu det henne, det her? Fuck, jeg er ret til det. Nej, det er ikke det. Nej, det er ikke det. Ja, det her, det ved jeg. Nej, at... Oh my god. Ja, sådan der. Se. 1.13. Og det er også efter den der hotfix, der blev lavet. Så den virker efter 1.13 og hotfixen. Okay, lad os komme i gang. Det første du vil gøre, det er at du tager en bike ud. Simpelthen bare køre en bike ud af din garage. Helt normalt. Sådan der. Når du er kommet ud af garagen, så vil du... Så er der en eller anden idiot, der bare står og holder der. Flyt lige din bil. Sådan der. Tak, idiot, mand. Så vil du få din ven til at hoppe på din bike, og lige så snart han hopper på, bare køre. Som jeg lige gjorde der. Bare lige køre lidt rundt om huset her. Og så vil du køre tilbage til garagen. Men du skal være sikker på, at du parkerer den sådan, så han kan skyde dig, når du kommer ud i din bil. Sådan der. Og han må ikke gøre noget. Så hvis han tager en hjelm på, så skal I lige gøre det om igen. Men det gjorde han ikke, så vi går ind i garagen. Så når du er kommet ind her, så vil du tage din dyreste bil, eller bare den du vil money glitche med. Så den her bil. Den giver cirka 570 kroner fuldt opgraderet. Med alt og alt og alt. Sådan der. Du kører simpelthen bare ud med den helt normalt. Der skal... Ja. Og det er meget vigtigt, at du ikke rammer ham, der er på biken. Så det håber jeg ikke. Så ham der idioten, han skal lige flytte sig. Sådan der. Godt. Ingen panik. Så skal din ven skyde mig. Ja, sådan der. Din ven skal simpelthen skyde dig. Så vil du spawne. Og så når du er spawnet, som jeg er nu, så vil du bede din ven om at gå af biken. Og som du kan se herovre, så spawnede der en duplikeret bil. Det var den vi gik ind i. Den skal du ikke gå ind i. Du skal gå ind i den, der er herovre ved din garage. Så den der, den skal du bare lade være. Jeppe, så går vi. Det er spændende. Sådan der. Hvad er det du laver? Fuck dig. Så fik vi lige skilt os af, men ej, politiet er her allerede. Nej, det var ikke sådan en god idé. Okay. Tekniske problemer. Så er problemerne løst. Så går vi videre. Og så når jeg kommer herover, så går jeg ind i den bil. som er duplikeret lige her. Sådan der, bare køre ind i den og køre ned til Los Santos Custom. Sådan der, godt det der. Du skal også lige være sikker på, at din ven de hopper op på bilen, inden du kører. Det er meget vigtigt, ellers så smadrer du glitchen. Så virker den slet ikke. Så kører vi bare videre hernede. Oh shit, mit game det frøs. Sådan der, så er vi tilbage igen. Woohoo. Det var fordi det frøs der, ellers så kører jeg helt i top. Så når du er kommet herned, så skal du lige... Så kører du de 2 første hjul ind. De 2 første er dine forhjul ind. Men ikke for meget, så du sådan der. Det er nok passende. Og så vil du bestille en Can Rubble. Det er lige meget hvilken huse. Hvis du har 2 huse, så er det lige meget hvilke hus du bestiller den til. Bare køb en Can Rubble. Sådan der. Så vælger du bare et af dine apartment. Jeg vælger den der, som I lige kan se. Sådan der. Du forfølger mig bare, din grønne skolding. Okay. Så vil du lige ringe dine mekaniker op. Sådan her. Og når menuen kommer frem, så vælger du den, hvor din Can Rubble er i. Fuck, hvad er det nu for en? Det er den der. Sådan. Så kører du bare ind i garagen. Eller Los Santos Custom. Når du har kørt herind, så lige så snart du klikker kryds på, at mekanikeren skal komme med Rubble, så spammer du den D-padden til siden. Så det ser sådan nogenlunde sådan her ud. Sådan der, så burde du komme frem med den her menu. Så går du herind, klikker selv, men du gør det kun én gang. Så den kommer den frem der og siger, are you sure you want to sell this vehicle? Og så venter du til, at den der lille orange cirkel er færdig med at spinde rundt. Så var den der. Og så bum, så kan vi sælge den 571.000 lige ned i kassen. Det er simpelthen bare det. Så kan du gøre det om igen. Simpelthen enkelt og dejligt. Ikke også? Ikke også, lille grønskoldning? Man kan bare gøre det om igen. Så kan man også bare... For man er så rig, så man kan bare gøre det her. Jeg er i hvert fald CO Hex her. Og vi ses.